Hey guys, today I'll be reviewing Muscle Blaze Torque. It's a pre-workout supplement. I took my first dose today. I just had my workout done. So this will be a short review. I'll be talking about the pros and cons of this product. So the pros is that it does everything it says. It does everything it says. By that I mean energy and focus, maximum pump, endurance and power and performance. All these things it does really good. And the flavor is also really good. I have this orange flavor. The flavor is really good. I like the flavor for a pre-workout. Mixability is good. Efficiency is very good. So everything is good about this product. And now here comes the cons. The cons are that it's really very expensive for an Indian brand. Muscle Blaze is an Indian brand, and I bought this from Health Card for around 2000 rupees, which is very expensive because if you buy a foreign brand if you buy a foreign brand supplement, a pre-workout supplement, most of the supplements uh, cost around 2000 to 2500, which is okay, which is acceptable because they are being imported and various taxes are being imposed, and hence the high price. But this particular product is being produced in India and it shouldn't have been priced more than 1500. So price is a big factor here because you can buy many other good quality uh, sup- good quality uh, pre-workout supplement in this particular price range. And also let me show you the content. I just took half just sorry just took one scoop of this supplement, and you can see it's already half filled. And let me show you the scoop size as well. Okay, so this is the scoop size. It's big. The scoop size is quite big, and also it's half filled, which is a very big con, I guess, negative aspect, because the number of servings is only 23. So if you take your pre-workout supplement every day, you have to spend 2000 rupees every month, which is not not economical, I guess. Uh, I've taken Jack 3D and 1MR. Those containers, they had size, means their container size was just half of this particular container, and the number of servings for those pre-workout supplements were just double of this. They had 45 or 46 servings, and this supplement has only 23 servings. So the number of servings is very less. That is a very big negative aspect, as well as the price is high, being an Indian brand. So overall, I would say that if you are a beginner, please don't buy this because also it's expensive. That's the first point, and it would be very strong for a beginner and very heavy for a beginner. So that will be means so if you're a beginner, please don't buy this. But if you want to try this, you can. Okay, it's okay. You can buy this, but take half a scoop at a time. So that would be, I think, economically also efficient, and if you are a beginner, that would be good for you as well. So okay, yeah.